Hi, hello and welcome to MathTech. In this video, you are going to learn about subtracting the numbers on abacus. In the previous videos, we have learned how to add the numbers on the abacus. Now, let us see how to subtract the numbers on this abacus. Before going to learn about subtraction on abacus, just recall the concept of addition of numbers on abacus. How we have added the numbers on the abacus? Simply, whatever number is there, we have to take it on the abacus. So, in the case of addition, we need to connect the beads to the answer line. In the case of addition, we need to connect the answer beads to the answer line, and in the case of subtraction, we have to take away the beads from the answer line. We need to take away the beads from the answer line. For example, 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? That is 1. We all know that. So let's see how to do it on the abacus. 4 minus 3. So first take 4 on this abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. And second number is minus 3. So we need to subtract it from this. So take away the 3 beads from the answer line. So here the answer line, 4 beads are connected to the answer line. So now take away the 3 beads. Take away means not taking in this way. Just make it down. So 3 bits we need to take it down. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer here we got? Only 1 bit is connected with the answer line, right? So 4 minus 3 is 1. Now let us do the problems together with additions and also with subtractions. The first question is 2, 5 minus 1. So here 2, 2, 5. These three are addition and the last number is minus 1. So that is we have to do subtraction. Let us do this on the abacus. The first number is 2. So take 2 here. 2. And the second number is also 2. Take 2. Third number is 5. So take 5 here. And what is the last number? Minus 1. So take minus 1 here. What we done? First we have taken 2, 2, 5 and minus 1. What number is here? It is 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Let's take another example. 5, 3, 1, minus 2. Let's do this on the abacus. So first number is 5. So take 5. What's the second number? 3. So take 3 here. 1, 2, 3. And third number is 1. So plus 1. Minus 2. So take away 2 bits. What is this number here? 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now let us deal with 2-digit numbers. 44 minus 20 minus 4 and 10. So now take the first number 44 here. 44 means 4 tens, 4 ones. So here this is we are considering ones. So this before rod is tens. So it is 4 tens. This is 44. So this number is 44 minus 20. So take 20. So take away 20. So these are tens. So it is minus 10, minus 20. Minus 20. Then minus 4. So the ones, 4 ones, remove it. And plus 10. So add 110. What is this answer here? 10, 20, 30. So the final answer is 30. Let's see one more example. 99 minus 9 minus 40. 10. So the first number is 99. So take 99 here. So it is 99 minus 9. So take away the 9 minus 40. So here subtract 40 here. Minus 40 plus 10. Add 10. What is left here? It is 50, 60. So the final answer is 60. Now let us do some more problems on this abacus. Let us see how to do the problems on the abacus. So here the problems are in the addition or subtraction, both. So let's take the first problem. The first number is 8. So first make it as a 0. Now take 8 here. 8 means, so this is ones we are considering. So it is 5. So this is 8 minus 5. So take away 5 plus 1 and plus 5. What is this answer? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this answer is 9. See the second sum. First number is 20. So take 20 here. So this is 1. So these are the tens rods. So take 2 bits here. 20 plus 50. Okay. Plus 10. Again plus 10. Minus 30. So take away the 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. So here what is left here? Only the 50. So this answer is 50. Third sum. 22. So 22. 2 tens, 2 ones, plus 55, plus 50, plus 5. Again plus 22, plus 2 tens, plus 2 ones, minus 55. So take away minus 50, minus 5. So what is left here? 44. So this answer is 44. Next, fourth problem. 33. So take 33 here. 33 minus 3. So take minus 3. Minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10. Add 10. So answer is 30. Next problem. 55. First make it is 0. Take 55 here. So this is 50 and 5 plus 24 plus 2 tens plus 4 ones minus 20. So take 20 minus 20 minus 5 minus 5. What is connected with answer line here? It is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So this answer is 54. Next sum. 13. So 110, 3 ones, minus 2. So minus 2 plus 38. So 3 tens, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38. Minus 7. Minus 5, minus 2. It is minus 7. So what is the answer here? This 42. Next, one more problem. 84. So that is 84 means it's 50, 60, 70. It is 84 minus 32. Now subtract minus 30 and minus 2. It means minus 3 tens and minus 2 ones. 2 ones. Plus 12. Plus 110 plus 12. Minus 11. So here minus 10 and minus 1. It is 50, 51, 52, 53. So this answer is 53. Last sum. 56. It is 50, 55. So 56 minus 1, minus 1, minus 50. So take away minus 50 and 64. So it is 50, it's 60 plus 4. It is 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So this answer is 69. In this way, we can add and subtract the numbers on the abacus. I hope you all understood how to do the problems on the abacus up to 2 digit and also without any carry. So in the coming classes, we will learn how to add, how to subtract when there is a carry. For now, if you have any doubts, you feel free to ask me in the comment section and share it to your friends. Thank you.